Okay, so now we've created or added in the options for the fragrance attribute. I won't go through creating attributes just yet, or attribute sets. So let's go and add a product. Okay, and here just click on add product on the top right hand side. These are basically for the options where you've got different colours, or in this example different fragrances against particular products, and you want to manage the inventory for each individual item to make it easier to obviously keep stock records. So the attribute set is default, as that's the only set that's there, and with this one you would have to choose configurable product. Okay, and this one, this is the fragrance on the attribute set that I've created. So tick on that one and click continue. Okay, so we'll just call this test fragrance for the product. Just copy them over there. Set the status to enable and catalog search. This will be a universal price for each of the products that are within the set. When you set your individual ones, you can change the prices or just leave them as the same, and it will take it off this price. Also set your tax class. Won't bother about any keywords for SEO type stuff at the moment. Obviously add in your image for the product. And this one, make it in stock. That just uses it as the default, so you don't need to change anything of that. On this one, select the website that it's to go on. On this one there's only one particular website, and then go on to the categories, and for this one, for the example, I'm just going to pop it in oil burners. So the next section we'll go to is associated products, but at this stage just click save and continue. Oh, I forgot the SKU. So yeah, just call that test fragrance or whatever that you use, barcodes or anything. Let's wait for that save. Saved. So this is the part where we can create all the different products for the fragrances. So if you've got incense sticks, candles or whatever, you create your main product like we've done up there, and click on the associated products. Those are auto generated, you don't need to touch those. Just put your weight in, set it to enabled and not visible individually, otherwise all these products will show up within your catalog searches, where you basically want them to show up on the actual product. Then click on the drop down, choose your fragrance, You can put a fixed price in, or a percentage, or if it's the same price as the main product category, just leave it blank, and then put in how many you have in stock, and just click create. Okay, so that's created, and now it's appeared down at the bottom under the attributes for associated products. With those already in there, you can just go through and start adding some others in without keep having to making the changes, and obviously just change your stock level depending on obviously how many you've got, and then just click create. And basically for that particular product, you just work your way through adding in your fragrances depending on which ones are available. Then when that's done, we can basically just save that. I'll just take a second. Okay, so now here on the new products, that's the main category or the main product that we created, and it clearly says that it is a configurable product, and it's got the SKU as a test fragrance. These are the two that we added, so it's created the names for you and the SKUs, and it just says it's a simple product, which would be right. Now if we go over to the oil burners, and then in here there should be a new product, which is the test fragrance. Obviously no image has been added on there yet. So there we've got our product, and then now you've got your options to choose whichever fragrance that you want, and when you sell whichever one of those products, it will obviously reduce the quantity on the inventory for you. Obviously if you have more in stock, you can go onto these products and then just change the quantity on the inventory tab when you have more in stock, and that's basically it. Okay, thanks very much.